Hello everyone, welcome to Simple Crochet channel. I'm glad to be with you in this video. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to make the double crochet stitch. Let's start. In the previous videos we've learned how to make the starting knot and how to chain and do the single crochet. Now we will start with chaining any number that you want, and bear in mind that you keep the tip of your hook in facing you and just yarning over, as in you just pull the yarn from behind and enter inside the loop. For those of you who wants to see how to chain and learn how to chain and do the single crochet, I'm gonna leave the link for the previous video in the description box below. Now I do my chains here and I'm going to start to do my double crochet stitch. Now in the previous video we've learned that this loop on the hook doesn't count as one. We count the chain from the first one after the hook. Now this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Now to do the double crochet you need to skip 2 chains and insert the hook inside the third one. That's how we're gonna do the height of our stitch here. So this is how long it gonna be. So I'm gonna yarn over, skip 2 chain, insert my hook and pull the yarn. So I have 3 loops on my hook. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops only, leaving 2 loops on the hook. So I yarn over and pull through the other 2. That's why I left 2 chains, because I do this double crochet in 2 levels. So again I'm gonna yarn over, insert the hook in the chain, pull the yarn through the chain. So I have 3 loops and yarn over and pull through. This is 1. Yarn over and pull through the other 2. This is 2. This is 2 chain that I skipped at the beginning. So with each row I'm gonna have to chain 2 to do 1 double crochet. Now I'm gonna continue like this, yarning over, insert the hook, pull through, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through the other 2. Now yarn over, insert the hook in the chain, pull the yarn, you have 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through the other 2, and so on. Now this stitch is very simple, quick to do, and you can make scarves, blankets and anything out of it. Now I finish my row here, my first row, and I'm going to do the second row of double crochet. To do the second row I need to chain 2, so it would be the first double crochet in the second row and it will give me the height of the stitch as I said. Now first I need to mark this here, so I won't skip 1, the chain 2 that I did, and I'm going to yarn over, but I'm not going to insert my hook in the first chain here. No, I'm going to skip the first stitch and insert the hook in the second. And bear in mind, now you have 2 loops for each chain. Now the back loop and the front loop. You are going to insert the hook inside these 2 loops together, because if you insert your hook inside the back loop only or the front loop only, you are going to have another kind of double crochet. So I have to yarn over, skip the first chain, insert the hook in the second with the 2 loops, and pull through. You have 3 loops, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through the other 2, and so on. You continue doing double crochet as you go. Now I reached the end of my row and I find this stitch here. This, it's not straight, it's curved a little bit, so I'm using the marker here to mark the last stitch that I'm going to use. For beginners, it's gonna be difficult to manage your way all through the stitches without the marker at the beginning, but with practicing you will know where to start and where to end. Don't worry, at the beginning you're gonna make some mistakes, but as you practice you will find it easy and enjoyable to do. Now I end my row and I need to do another row. So to start any row of double crochet, you need to chain 2 to give you the height of the stitch here, and turn your work. Just yarn over, leave the first chain here because you've already done 2 chain, and insert the hook in the second and do the stitches. Now if you have any question about anything, you can leave in the comment section below and I will be glad to answer your questions. Now this marker, see, helped me to insert my hook in the last chain here, so I won't forget one or make an extra one. Now I'm gonna, and this is how it should look like. You see the edges are straight here. Now it's simple and fun to make, actually very quickly to make. You can make scarves and Christmas gifts, as we're in the Christmas season, out of it with the good yarn. I hope you like the video and find it informative enough for you and helpful to do beautiful things out of it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.